Hey everyone, this is just a quick breakdown of how I draw portraits just like this in under 2 minutes. Okay, so first I start out with a light pencil to create a rough outline of the face. This part is super quick, about a minute or two. I do this just to map out the main features and sometimes just to check that it'll fit on the page. When I finish that little bit, I go over it with a clear outline. This part takes about 5 minutes and it helps lock in the structure. Now, this is kind of the key of how I draw faces, and because I've been drawing faces for so long, I started to notice all these different connections, like the nose to the eyes, the ears to the nose, and the mouth to the chin, stuff like that. These connections help guide the proportions, and it makes it easier for me to know if a drawing will be way off or will be okay. Next, I use a kneaded eraser to gently fade out the lines so they're still visible but not too bold. Then I grab a darker pencil, 6, 7 or 8B pencil, and start adding in the main features and shadows. I use the kneaded eraser again to lift highlights and soften some areas. And that's pretty much it. This drawing took about 30 minutes to complete. It's not perfect, but this is how I draw faces in a short period of time, and that's how I was able to complete a portrait a day for 366 days straight. But if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks for watching.